Hey guys, Terry here. Welcome to the Forest Farm Project. Today we're going to show you a little bit about building our top cabinets. We're getting ready to build top cabinets and we want to determine a couple of things. We built this little miniature. These sides, back, and this shelf, bottom shelf, are all obviously miniature. This is also, a small size, but this is the actual depth of our face frame. It's going to be a 2-inch face frame going all the way around the cabinet and then wherever you have your doors. So what we need to determine is how much space do we want down here under the cabinet, because we have 1-inch lights from Kichler, some under the counter lights or under the cabinet lights that are really nice. So we're going 1 1/8 there, which is going to give us the full distance of the light plus 1/8 of an inch. You don't want to see those lights hanging out from under the cabinets. Additionally, you can line that bottom shelf to this edge of your face frame, but when you do that, then you're required to get this precisely where it needs to be. The shelf needs to be precisely where it needs to be. You're going to see the edge of that shelf on here, and from what I've heard from multiple cabinet men that I know, that I've known for years, they said it's very difficult to get that edge to look good and do it any kind of production at all. So generally, they leave anywhere from 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch a reveal here inside. Well, if we leave 1/8 of an inch, that gives us our 1 1/8 because we've got a 2-inch block, a 3/4 inch shelf or bottom of the cabinet, top cabinet, and you take 3/4 off of 2 inches, it leaves you 1 1/4 inches. We got 1 1/8 down here and 1/8 up top, so it's going to work out perfect. Another point I want to make is we just used a piece of our scrap plywood since we're in the process of building all of our boxes for the cabinets that we're building, and it's all 3/4 inch stock, so we just use a scrap piece of that to show you an example of what the face frame is going to look like as far as size and the dimension here with everything. But in actuality, when we do put face frames on, we're going to use poplar, and it's going to be a 3/4 inch poplar by 2 inch. So just thought we'd let you know that. Well, I hope you like what you see, and I hope this helps someone in the future with building their cabinets or planning them out. Check back soon. We're going to have a lot more coming. We're going to show you a top cabinet build from start to finish, and catch you next time.